Hey, what's going on, traders? Going to do the month of October recap here. Um, month of October was pretty slow, only ended up with 53 total trades. As you can see, we ended up only with $678 in profit. And mainly a lot of that was due to just bumping up the share size towards the end of it. So not a lot of trades. However, we do have some good stats overall. As you can see, profit factor over 5 for the end of the month, win percentage around 87%. As you know, since we started the old nibble strategy at the beginning of August, we've been closer to that 80% mark. So around 87 is actually a little bit higher. And profit factor is just doing really well, as you can see. So if we jump over to the overview, this is kind of where it shows pretty much all the goodies. This is a big one. I've been paying a lot of attention to this, the profit to loss ratio. Before we started doing the nibbles, this actually was closer to like a 0.3 to 1 overall. Even if you do the nibbles until now, not just the month of October, this number is pretty close to like 0.75 to about 0.8. And I mean, that's such a key stat. I've basically doubled how much I'm making versus how much I'm losing since I started this nibble strat. And what that is in response to is basically when I take a nibble on something and I notice it's not really working, I just don't really add any size to it if it decides to go against me. I can basically get out and take a smaller loss than I was before, because before I was basically taking a full size starter no matter what. And so even though I would only get that initial starter position, I was still taking a bigger loss because it was a full size starter. Now, if it's something that's a little bit sketch, maybe it didn't make the full move that I wanted, maybe the volume's not great, maybe the float is a little low, whatever the case may be, I can take these nibbles. And if for some reason it decides to not work, so be it. I just cut it and it's a really small loss. And in return, that's actually making this profit loss ratio go way up. And I mean, in reality, this is one of the more key numbers that you're going to look at as far as a strategy, especially a high win rate strategy like mine. A lower one like 0.3 isn't even that bad. I was perfectly profitable with a 0.3 to 1 ratio, but to get this number up even more is actually very intriguing and interesting. And I'm definitely going to be paying attention to this moving forward. Coming down, average daily P&L this month, $35. Nothing too crazy, but that's, with losses. Average winning trade getting closer to the $20 mark. This was, I believe, last month. Let's just check. I believe it was closer to like 12. I don't remember. We'll check. But I do know that it's higher. Yeah, so 1290 was our average. Average daily P&L was 22. Average on losses has been about the same, which is pretty good, considering, like I said, in August, that's when like August 11th is when we started the nibbles. And we just been getting those losers down as far as size go. The other big thing is, like I said, the average winners, daily P&L going up, but that's again, because we're starting to scale up. And as you can see, the month of September was 0.6 to 1. So, but yeah, really nothing too special. That's the month of October. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, etc., you can ask those down in the comments. You can find me in Discord or over on Twitter. Those links are down below. And yeah, I'll slowly kind of scroll through these. You can see 53 total trades, 46 winners, 7 losses. There's the 5.08 profit factor, $86 in commissions. Yeah, really nothing too crazy about this month. It was a little bit slower, and we'll see what happens here in the month of November. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Always appreciate the support, and I will see you guys tomorrow for the live stream if you're there. If not, see you whenever I see you. Peace.